Can you be forced to be a witness? Hi, Larry Kaye here with ShadowAnyone.com and the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. Can you be forced to be a witness? Yes, absolutely. You say that doesn't seem right, it doesn't seem fair. It happens all the time. And what this is, and it comes back to kind of process serving, if you think about it for a moment, you can be summoned to appear in court to testify during a trial, a case, sometimes a pre-hearing. And when you receive one of these summonses, you have to honor it. If you don't want to honor it, contact an attorney. They can either delay it or get you out of it. They certainly can direct you in the best way to answer the questions and help your case, or if you're being called. This is what happens a lot of times with this being forced to be a witness, being forced to testify, is when someone you know or someone around you has done something that they're being charged with. So perhaps there was a fight. Your buddy got in a fight and you were right there. They may want you, they may force you to come and testify and be a witness in court as to what led up to and what happened during the fight, what happened afterwards, even though you don't want to and you're afraid it's going to make your buddy look bad. If in that case, you know, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not giving legal advice, contact an attorney and they can help you out and they can direct you in a way that's going to be best for you. There are a variety of places that you may have to testify, not just in court in a trial. You might be called to testify in a pre-trial hearing, which is going to have a same kind of feel. If you were just dropped into the middle of one, not knowing what was going on, it would feel kind of like a trial. You have the judge, you have the prosecution, the defense, you're up on the witness stand, you're sworn in, all those types of things. You can be called as a witness during a deposition. So this is not a trial, but it is sworn testimony. A lot of times this is done in a law office where your counsel, opposing counsel will be there. There'll be a stenographer or a way of recording this. You'll be sworn in again to answer truthfully under oath. And then there's also what's called interrogatories, which are written questions that are sent to you that you fill out and return. If you do get summons, then you do not want to appear. Again, contact an attorney. A lot of times there's some fine print on ways to delay this or to even try to avoid having to appear at all. There are certain criteria that have to be met for that summons to be valid. And this is something where process servers, you have to know about these things and getting these summonses and even subpoenas to people in a timely manner. If you're delivering things, you know, the day before the trial or the day before they're called to appear, that they may not be compelled to appear. So as a process server, if you're a private investigator serving process or just a straight up process server, make sure you're getting these things out in a timely manner as I describe in the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Process Serving. You can learn more about that over at ShadowAnyone.com/PS. It's for process serving. In the meantime, yes, you can be forced to be a witness. And so good luck with that. I have a video out there on must-know tips for testifying. You will find extremely helpful, maybe even kind of calming for you to get you prepared for that type of thing. I highly recommend you look for that. And just wrap it up. This is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.